If you haven't been thinking about using video to market your brand, now is the time. Statistics say that adding a product video in your landing page can increase conversion by 80%. And one popular tool to create those sunny videos is called VideoScribe. My name is Abdulwahab Hashu. I am a part-time freelancer and instructor for over 40,000 students in 141 countries. In this course, I will be taking you through step-by-step tutorials that will make you able to create eye-catching videos. There are many courses about VideoScribe, but most of them are still using the old version 2 and did not update. In this course, we'll be using a new fresh released version of VideoScribe. In each tutorial there is a small project, so you can learn and understand all VideoScribe features while doing them. So that's all for now. Click the purchase button and I will see you inside the course.